Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another glammed out Thanksgiving look so you guys can look as bomb as the turkey that you guys are going to be eating tonight. Stay tuned. I'm prepping my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Once again, I'm using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm starting off with Beam and a small brush to highlight my brow bone. With the Morphe M511, I'm picking up Creamsicle and I'm blending that into the crease. With the Morphe M518, I'm going into Hunts and I'm placing that on the outer lid. Then I'm going to be taking it up and blending it into the crease. Here I have the Morphe M506 and I'm picking up Jax. I'm only going to be placing this on the outer lid. I'm using my Maybelline Master Concealer to cut my crease, along with my Morphe M170. To set my lid, I'm using this neutral shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm picking that up with my Morphe R42. And I'm just going back in with Jax and the Morphe M506 to blend out the edge. Today I'm using my Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liquid Liner in black. Now I'm cleaning up the wing with my Maybelline Master Concealer. Now I'm going back into my palette and I'm going to be picking up Creamsicle, Hunts, and Jax to smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm taking Beam into my tear duct to highlight. Now I'm adding some of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in Midnight Cowboy. I'm curling my lashes with my MAC Eyelash Curler and lining my eyes with my Wet n Wild Pencil Liner in Baby's Got Black. Finally, before my falsies, I'm adding a little bit of mascara to the lower lashes. And I'm still stuck on using the lashes that my friend Janet gave me, and she actually got these on eBay. So that is it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you tried this glammed out look for Thanksgiving tonight. Please eat a shitload of turkey, pie, gravy, all that bomb shit for me. Have a safe and fun one with your loved ones. Before you guys head out, don't forget to comment, like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.